Hello everyone, let's make Rakhi together. Firstly, take a foam paper. Then, with the help of a pencil, try to draw the body of a peacock at the back side of the foam paper and cut out the bush. See? Now cut it out. After cutting it out, we are going to take another piece of cloth on which we are supposed to paste this cutout. The cloth is going to be the base on which we will be making our Rakhi. Cut out the cloth as shown. Now, with the help of glue, we are going to paste it out. Here, I have taken some glittering stones which are easily available at the market at a very reasonable price. You can also use leftover bindis as well for decorating your Rakhi. I hope you find this video enjoyable. Do watch till end to see how the Rakhi turns out to be. After pasting all the stones, we will be adding some glue as shown. Now we will put raw rice or chawal all over the glue. Add some more chawal. So this is how it looks after the chawal get glued to the Rakhi. Now it's time to decorate the body of the peacock a bit more. To make the eye, I have used a red colored bead. You can use a simple bindi as well. Now add some more chawal with the help of a tweezer as shown. So this is how it's gonna look after all the glue gets dried up. To cover the back side, I have used masking tape cut in a circular shape. You can also simply use a cloth and paste it. To make the dhaga, I have taken a thread of 38 cm long. Now let's add some beads to it and make knots at the end of each bead as shown. Make such beaded knots on each side of the thread. And it's done! I hope you all enjoyed making Rakhi with me. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all the viewers. Always trust your reflexes and keep creating more. Bye bye.